Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Malik and you're watching me on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss our next assignment that is related to chapter 9. So first of all, we will open our instruction file. Our instruction file is just getting opening. Then we have to click on enable editing. Then we just make that a zoom so it must be visible to everyone. Okay. So in today's video, we will discuss Exp25 Excel Chapter 9 ML2 House Cleaners. We just increase its size and change its color. Okay. So we will discuss this assignment step by step. You may follow me. You will get A grade 100% marks. So before going to solve this assignment, let me move toward whole assignment. How many points we have in today's assignment? In today's assignment, we have how many questions? Let me move toward whole assignment 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19. It's quite big one. We have 23 points. Mean 23 questions we have in today's assignment. It's quite big one. And last one is a non-graded part, 23 one, in which we have to submit and get the result. Okay. So let me start today assignment step by step. Today assignment name is Exp25 Excel Chapter 9 ML2 House Cleaners. Project description. So here is project description that describe which mean what is our project, how we have to solve that one. We just simply read that one so we can get idea. Okay. So you manage a house cleaning service. As a manager, you schedule the cleaner with clients, provide cleaning supplies, and insure the cleaners. You pay the cleaners for their time and mileage reimbursement. Okay. You set up a monthly workbook with one worksheet per week to enter the dates, mileage to each house, and start and stop times. You then calculate the hours worked. You are ready to calculate weekly totals and monthly totals. So all these are simply instruction about the file. Okay, that what we have in today project, how we have to solve that one. Okay. Now let me move toward graded part. So here is our graded part. Steps to perform, then instruction. So question number 1, start Excel, download and open file name XP Excel25 chapter 9 ML2 house cleaner. Excel grader has automatically added your last name, okay, your last name at the beginning of the file. Okay. So according to mean in question 1, we have to start Excel and we have to download the file that we call solution file that we have already downloaded. You may see we have already downloaded that file. Okay. So first of all, we will open that file, or we call that solution file. Okay. So first we have to open a solution file, then we have to click on enable editing so we can edit that file easily. Okay. So question number 1 is done. In question number 1, we just simply start Excel, download and open file name. This one, that grader has automatically added your last name at the beginning of the file. You may see our name is there, our last name is there. Okay. So question number 1 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 2. The title and column labels in the template worksheet are formulated with cell styles. You want to apply this formatting to other worksheet. Okay. So in question number 2, our main part is start from here. Group template week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4 worksheet. First part is that we have to make them in group. So template week 1, template week 1, week 2, week 3 and week 4 mean we have to hold on control key, then select week 1, then select week 2, week 3 and week 4. Now you may see all are in group. Okay. Then select the range A1 to B1 on template worksheet. Okay. So first we have to move our template worksheet, then select A1 to B1. Okay. Then fill format only across other worksheet. Fill format. Okay, fill only format. So mean first we have to select this one, then here is editing. There is fill option and there is across worksheet. Yes, format, just not content, just format. Simply press OK. So that will done. So question number 2 is done. In question number 2, in first part we have to make a group of template week 1, week 2, week 3 and week 4 worksheet. After that, then we have to select the range A1 to B1 on template worksheet and fill format only across other worksheet. So question number 2 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 3. Now you want to fill formatting and content to other worksheet. So with worksheet still open, okay, template worksheet is still open. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to select the range A11 to E11. Here we write A11 to E11 and press enter. Okay, then fill both content and formatting across other worksheet. Now we have to fill both content and formatting. So first we have select range, then in home there is in editing group, open this one and click on fill, then across worksheet. Now we have to select all. Okay, simply press okay and that will be done. So question number 3 is done. In question number 3, with worksheet still grouped form, then we have to select the range E11 to E11 and then we have to fill both content and formatting across other worksheet. So question number 3 is done. After solving question number 3, we get this result on other sheet. You may see this one and this one. Okay, so question number 3 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 4. You want to unlock data entry cells on weekly worksheet. So with worksheet still group form, okay, then select range E12 to D4D. First we have to select the range E12 to D4D, then simply press enter. Okay, then unlock the cell. Now we have to unlock the cell. So first we have to select the range, then right click, then there is format cell, protection, and they are already logged, so we have to unlock that one. Simply press OK. Okay. So question number 4 is done. In question number 4, we are just in group form. We just simply select the range E12 to D40, then unlock the cell, and we have done question number 4. Now we are moving toward question number 5. You want to create a data validation rule to control data entry. So ungroup worksheet. Okay, first we have to ungroup the worksheet. We have to right click on any group worksheet, right click on there, and there is ungroup option. Now you may see all worksheet are ungrouped form. Okay, then select D12 to D40 in the template worksheet. D12 to D40. Here we write D12 to D40. Simply press enter. So that range will be selected. Then create data validation rule of these application. Okay, now we have to apply their data validation rule. Okay, in first part we have to apply time greater than C12. allow time greater than. So first click on data. There is a data validation rule. Now what we have to apply time. This one, time greater than C12, greater than C12. Okay. Then enter input message title and time. We just copy this one. Then input message. Okay, there we have now input title and we have in that one. Okay. Then in next part we have to enter input message. This one including the periods. Okay. So we just copy this one from here. Then paste here. Then error alert. In error alert, what we have to do? We have to select stop error alert type. Okay. So yeah, that is already selected. Stop. Okay. Then title. We have to enter error alert title. This one. So incorrect and time. Then we have to enter error message, including the period. So we have to copy period also. Then in that one here. Okay. Now simply press OK. Done. So question number 5 is done. Question number 5 is quite big one. We have solved question number 5 step by step. In first part, we have to ungroup the weekly worksheet. Then we have to select the range D12 to D40 in template worksheet and then create a data validation rule with these specification. Allow time greater than C12. Then enter input message title and time. Then enter the input message, enter the end time including period. Then select stop error alert style and enter error alert title incorrect end time. Then enter the error message, this one. Okay, so we have done question number 5 step by step. Now we are moving toward question number 6. You want to duplicate the data validation rule on other worksheet. Okay, so copy selected range D12 to D40 in template worksheet. We have to this range is already selected. Okay, we have to copy this range. Then display week 1 sheet tab. Where is sheet 1 week 1 sheet tab? Then and group week 1 week 2 and week 3 and week 4 worksheet. Okay, now first we have to make them in group form. Week 2 week 3 week 4. We have to hold on control key, remember that. Okay, for group, making group. Now select the range D12 to D40 and apply data validation paste option. Now where is D12? There is D12 to D40. Okay, D12 to D40, and then we have to paste as validation paste option. Okay, so click on home, there is paste option. Now we have to paste as validation option. Where is validation? Okay, paste special, and this validation option we have to select. Yeah, this one. Select this one, then simply press OK. Done. Then ungroup the worksheet. Now we have to make them ungroup. So right click on any group sheet, then there is ungroup option. Okay. So question number 6 is done. In question number 6, we have to copy the selected range D12 to D40 in template worksheet. Then display week 1 sheet tab. Then we have to make them in group form. that week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. First we have to make them in group. Then we have to select the range D12 to D40 and apply a validation paste option. Then ungroup the worksheet. So question number 6 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 7. You no longer want to display template worksheet. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to hide the template worksheet. Now we have to hide the template worksheet. So click on template worksheet, right click on there, and there is hide option. Okay, so question number 7 is done. So same way we will solve question number 8 up to question number 22 step by step. Okay, so in today's video, we have discussed almost half of assignment. We have in graded part, we have 20 questions. Out of 20 questions, we have discussed first 8 to 10 questions. Mean half of assignment is done from my side in today's video. Remember that we have solved in today's video Exp25 Excel chapter 9 ML2 house cleaners. In start, we just discussed project description. Then we move toward graded part and we have solved question number 1. Then we solve question number 2, then question number 3, then question number 4, then 5, 6, 7. Okay, we have discussed the first 7 to 8 question. Okay, mean almost half of assignment is done from my side in today's video. But if you need complete solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my given WhatsApp number, email ID, Instagram ID. All links are available in video description, as well as here in video. In bottom of this video you may see here is my WhatsApp number and here is my email ID. You may contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get 100% marks. Or remember that your result will be 100% and your file will be ready in next 30 minutes. I will just take maximum 30 minutes to complete your file. Result will be 100% and price will be reasonable, so you can easily afford that one. You may also contact me for full course deal. Our deal will be reasonable in price and your marks will be 100%. Remember that I am also expert of other courses just like mathematics, stats, English writing, English literature writing, accounting, C++, Java, Linux, textbook project, quizzes, midterm exam, final exam. So whatever you need to help regarding your academic, you may simply contact me on my WhatsApp number, on my email ID, on my Instagram ID. I'm available. I will solve and you will get 100% marks in your assignment. Take care. Bye bye. Best of luck for your future. Meet soon with our next assignment. Please subscribe my channel so you can get every latest video from my side. Take care. Bye bye. Best of luck for your future.